Alright, so like I was saying in our previous video, today I'm going to show you guys my fried chicken recipe. Alright, so for starters, you're gonna make some pancake mix. And as much as I love chocolate chips and sprinkles, you're not adding them in. Get enough pancake mix. If I need more, I can always put more in. And as you see, no chef goes without a mess. Gotta go clean that rest some water in the pancake mix. So remember to put your egg in. Shake it all about. Alright, let's see how good I can get this with the video. So you are not going to want to see any yellow. You're gonna want that to blend in. It give you like a creamy beige type color of pancake mix. Alright, now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and crunch up some toasted oats for texture. Now, because I am following that, I'm gonna crush them up in my blender. As you can see, they're popping up on top. Alright. Nowhere we can crush them, but then we use the blender. I would say that this is one of my healthier recipes, but we're going to add some sauce and some Hawaiian sauce, so it's not exactly healthy. Everything else in that recipe is healthy though, so I don't do keto. My husband doesn't like keto, so I don't know if this would be considered keto healthy, but it is more on the healthier edge of junk dinners. And that's where all your fiber is going to come through, your minerals, all that good stuff. As you can see, I'm making a mess over here too. No dinner ever goes completely Alright, so now from there, I'm going to dump this into my pancake mix and mix it all together. I keep thinking of a hokey pokey every time I say that. Put your oatmeal in, put your eggs in, shake it all about. Guys, it smells so good. I might actually try pancakes with the toasted oats. I always forget how good it smells until I actually go ahead and make it again. It's like when you have a baby. You totally forget the pain after about a day after having birth. And then after that, you go for another one and oh, you remember that pain. I only have had one child, obviously. But I can only imagine the pain that you go through going through labor again. So some oats obviously aren't crushed, and that's gonna be okay. So now from there, we are going to put in a Hawaiian Sweet Baby Ray's. My favorite sauce company is Sweet Baby Ray's. Their honey teriyaki is my favorite out of all of them. I am not a fan of the Hawaiian, but my husband loves the Hawaiians, so that's why he's getting that sauce in this recipe. Well, you're not going to want the Hawaiian to overpower it. You're just going to want it as an extra flavor. This looks more like oatmeal than it does pancake mix at this point. Alright. So now from there, I'm going to open up my chicken and dip it in. And you guys are good. And then this bowl over here, I'm just putting in my breadcrumbs for the outside texture. Once again, using Market Basket Italian style breadcrumbs. Our favorite to use. See, I'm clearly out of this bread mix, and that is the outside texture list. Alright, anyways. Just double breading it. Well, not double breading it. Make sure it's fully breaded. And then it will be put onto a plate and put aside to be put in the air fryer. A little bit of mess. That's okay. Alright. I keep on looking for something about it's so messy, guys. I am not a messy person. I have become one after having kids, after having my son, but I am not a messy person. I can tell you stories upon stories about growing up and how I hated the windows to be open in the car simply because of the fact that I didn't want my hair to get messed up. Yes, I was that type of girl. Now I'm the type of girl that puts on whatever is comfortable, mostly wears leggings, and you know what? That's okay with me. I am happy with how I've turned out. Set. I'm going to put this in the deep fryer. Put some parchment paper on this because already enough, folks. No parchment paper. Yes, I'm going to use this parchment paper that I got at Dollar Tree. 25 square feet, and it goes a long ways for a small family like mine. Mind you, we haven't been baking a lot lately either. And luckily it fits in there kind of perfectly. You can get the 4 pieces in there. Still. What am I doing, guys? Seriously. What am I doing? Alright. Stick that in there. And 360. Right about there. That's perfect. For 22 minutes. If I can get this to turn. Right. And then in the meantime, we're going to get our rice started. Hey guys, so at this point I have figured out that there was a black screen, so I figured I might as well just I couldn't edit it out, so unfortunately it is going to have this video. I am going to work better at editing my videos in the future, but as for right now, unfortunately it's just going to be a black screen. Really bad. This is not my type of editing. Using a new app, and that might be why. So to go on the side of the chicken, I just did something really simple and easy, because my husband will be home in a minute now, and made the rice sides garlic parmesan. Just by following the directions. I did not put the butter in, because we were trying to eat healthier, and honestly butter is not healthy for you if you want to know the truth about it. Alright, so now let's wait for this to come to a boil, and then stir for 7 minutes. So let's stay for 2 minutes. So it should be right around the time they come home for dinner. He should be home between 6:10, 6:12. And it's now 5:50. My camera will focus. So we should be ahead of ourselves, guys.